Bonjour tout le monde. Here's an overview about week 14, but also about what's left of the semester with all the finals. So I'm going to go over that with you guys. So first, as usual, starting with a song. I love Jodassin. He's one of my favorite singers. When I hear him, I can understand every word, if you see what I mean. So yeah, he sang pour l'Amérique, so go ahead and enjoy it. For this week, you're going to listen to those French dialogue that you've been doing, and you've been doing really an awesome job. And you're going to practice your final oral exam by describing a comic strip orally, and I'm going to give you more details. Before that, on Tuesday, this is going to be the last French Cafe. So if you still have 1 hour short, make sure to go ahead and attend. It's at 6 p.m. from 6 to 7, and I'll be there. Okay, again, this is the last time of the semester. So on Wednesday, first of all, you're going to take that honor log practice exam. Honor log, it's a proctoring program. And I just want you to go over it, to familiarize yourself. You're going to be using it for your student learning outcome test, only for one test. Huh? So go ahead, and you're going to have 3 questions, like you have unlimited time, unlimited attempts, and it's only 3 questions. You will see the questions are extremely easy. So make sure to take a look at it. Make sure to familiarize yourself with that, because it's going to be part of, this is what I'm going to be using for your SLO. I'm going to get to see you this week. This is our second check-in with your professor on Monday, November 27th from 11 to 1, and on Wednesday, November 29th from 6:30 to 7:30. You have the Zoom ID. Obviously, you're going to be waiting in like the waiting room, the virtual waiting room, until I'm done with the student. So, what else? You have your homework about those exchanges, les échanges, number 31 till 40. Now you know what it is. You are doing awesome in it. So this is due on Wednesday. And here it is, the pratique de l'examen oral final. So this is a practice. That's your oral final exam will be very similar to this one. So what are you going to be doing? You're going to click on the Goriac link in here. And you're going to click on instructions, and you're going to see a comic strip with no word in it. There's going to be some kind of a story. And I just want you to tell me orally what you see. Be careful. You are limited in the time, so no need to write anything. Just go for it. Whatever you have, whatever you guys have, doesn't matter. So I'm giving you 2 minutes just to see what's the story about, and you have 5 minutes to talk, which is more than enough. If you did not finish in 5 minutes, it's okay. It's fine, as long as you guys are talking, okay? There's nothing to write. There's nothing to submit. No PowerPoint, nothing to do. And I'm going to show you, okay, so really quickly, let me here. I tried it myself, so hopefully it will work. So this is the Goriac. So you're going to click on it. And as you can see, there's nothing. Click in here where it says instructions. And you're going to see the limits, blah, blah, blah. And if you scroll down, and it's taking sometimes to load. So I'm not going to scroll down all the way. This is the first picture. There's so many pictures. Make sure to scroll down, okay? Once you're done, you go ahead and start the activity. I'm going to click in there. I don't think it's going to allow me to do it because I'm doing the Zoom. Let's try that. Okay, what is it? Okay, fine, I got it. Well, obviously I cannot continue to the recorder. I don't think so. So just an FYI, you see I cannot do it. But you see this little tiny thing? If sometimes I'm hearing some students telling me, oh, it's too small, I cannot see. This, you can make it as small as possible. You don't need to see yourself very big. And here you're gonna be able to see the whole comic, okay? You scroll down and you'll see the rest. So it's going to be a very interesting exercise for you to do. So this is just a practice, and the following week is going to be your final, exactly the same way as this one. So let's talk about those finals. I like to have 3 exams for the final, just in case one does not work, you always have something. So first one is going to be the SLO French 4 reading comprehension. It consists of student learning outcome. These are the results we're gonna send to Sacramento, and you're gonna see some text. You're not gonna understand everything, and that's totally fine. And you have multiple choice questions. Go for process of elimination. Try to find cognate. You will understand most of it. I'm sure you will get the gist of it. You have 20, it's not 25 points, it's 100 points. You have 20 questions and you have 35 minutes to finish it. Be aware, once you start, that's it. You cannot go, oh, I'm going to pause, I'm going to go. No, you cannot. Plus, there is this honor lock proctoring. So make sure to have only that tab, only this tab open. Do not open any other tab. Make sure to stay in that tab. You cannot don't move too much either. Oh, I'm not asking you to be like rigid, but try not to move a lot. So you have 35 minutes to answer those 20 questions. In the past, according to the statistics, 25 to 30 minutes, they're done. So I'm giving you 5 more minutes. And here the access code, reading 4, is going to ask you for that access code. It is going to be reading 4. Okay. And that's it. So 35 minutes, make sure to allot 35 minutes for that test. That's the first one that's due on December 10th. Examen oral final, exactly the same thing that I just showed you. You're going to have a comic strip. You have 7 minutes. I'm giving you 2 minutes to observe and 5 minutes to talk. And as a matter of fact, I just saw that, yeah, it's fine. So 2 minutes to observe, 5 minutes to talk. Again, there's nothing to write, nothing to submit. Just I want to watch you talking in French. And that's the written final project. So for those who had me last semester, you already know what it is about. You're going to gather all 3 projects that you did. Le subjonctif, le passé composé, l'imparfait, le conditionnel, what else? Oh, here they are. Conditionnel, le futur simple conditionnel. Voilà, passé composé, imparfait. So all 3 of them, you're gonna gather them in one project, one slide deck if you want, and make sure to remove the hi and bye at the very beginning of every one, every project. Just say it at the very beginning and at the very end. And make sure to correct all the mistakes. Okay, so you already know how to get there. You press on that. I put them here for you, so it's easy for you to access. Just click on it, and you will see on the very far. You click on that your project, and at the very far you're going to see a small rectangle. Click on that, and you will see my comments, my feedback. Some of them are oral feedback, some of them are written feedback. So make sure to correct all those. But when you're going to be correct them, don't delete your mistakes. No, show me like this one in here. Strike through those words and give me the right answer. Okay, so you don't need to remove this thing. No, I want to see that yes, you did correct. Once you're done with your corrections, you go ahead and present all 3 of them. Okay, this is due on December 13th at 11:59. Obviously, no late work accepted because that's it. I'll be grading everything. Make sure to see Erika if you need any help with the corrections, with the pronunciation as well. Is it really that easy? Yes, it is easy. So your project, the final written project is done for you already. There's nothing else to do. Okay. And that would be it for the final. If you have any question, okay, please do let me know. Email me, come see me during my office hours. Go see Erika as well. And you can see me during the on Tuesday, because I'm having a lot of you guys coming and I'm really appreciating of that. If you have any questions, just let me know. Allez, bonne chance.